Hello there, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will going to show you how to create a splash screen using Kotlin coroutine in Android Studio. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to add the dependency of Kotlin coroutine into your build.gradle file. So let's open your build.gradle file and add this dependency of coroutine into your build.gradle. This dependency I put in this description video below. Okay, after that we need to create a new activity. Okay, so let's right click in your package and create an empty activity. So give the name as second activity. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to open activity-main.xml. In this file, you can add image or logo of your application. So delete this text view, and then we can add image view. Okay, so let's choose your image or your logo application. So in this tutorial I have a logo, this one, then click OK. Then we can connect the constraint horizontally in parent and add vertically in parent. Okay, so look like this. Then we can go to main activity file and call coroutine scope with this fetcher main dot launch. Okay, in this block you can call delay function, give the parameter in time millisecond. Okay, I will give 3000 millisecond. We will delay this splash screen while 3 seconds. Okay, after 3 seconds we will move to second activity. So we can start activity with intent, and we will move to second activity. Okay, call second activity class.java. Okay, the last one we can call finish method. Okay, as a simple like that. So let's run our application. Okay, this is splash screen, and we will move after 3 seconds, and this is second activity. But we can create an text view here, second activity. Okay, let's connect the constraint. Okay, change the text size about 13 sp. Okay, so we can hide the toolbar. So open this value themes and change the action bar to no action bar. Okay, so let's run our application again. Okay, this is splash screen after 3 seconds. Splash screen move to second activity, and if we click back button, application close. Okay, so this is how to create a splash screen using Kotlin coroutine.